Yes, and pass the musical boys. Ball. I was thinking to be someone first. Will be a show, Mama show. Yeah, and that's what I just said. I'm a shepherd. Yes, I took to Pala. That you, your friend were Diamoa and Fed Diablo. Sound. And you call in your play. Don't underrate as a red person. Ball. Now, Kumasi, I'm a show. Yeah. As a red. Good ball. Willimunko. Not in the best of my life. I said, what's it? So much about it. And I was when you appear, transfer. That you have opportunity to see. What I say. All right, live on the show, one show for
It's no, I say, and then Kotokone Accelerate FC. Oh, Baba Yara Sports Stadium, and Nantiano Ekasa, side Division 2 as a Division 1 club on Omokasa Bebre. Hono so ombehye Asante Kotoko na metie omo panyin ba ko so mo Pierre so mo dio so mo coach so metie no ene hono pa che se omo mrante no enim ball boye papa na kwan bia so no ombehye Asante Kotoko hono mo so ene ensema Accelerate FC omo so edetu edwa hono na eyesi ene dey de Sekremo antu a ifewura betu Baba Yara Sports Stadium. Omushe omo division lower tier side, but at times side teams na omo ha adwene omushe teams akese na omo ta disturb side teams akese na papa mushe ene de kia ne kino ye be kire omo se de Kotoko City Kotoko enye team bi na odina abedi agro hono musa ese wosono tofo abuo bi aboni bi enye sa de anka sa Accelerate kan omafo ne Asante Kotoko na bibi jo de abetena wo se nkofo no ene ombe se Kotoko but ye behwe omu se omu bo home omu kasa bebre but ye betia papa Baba Yara Sports Stadium ye betia omu rough Accelerate FC ye betia omu papa omunya botre na Kotoko and then me nyan chese ablante friend is goalkeeper young chap no Fatao abi ande on the better go post in them Asante Kotoko na ablante friend Kamara also atna bench na ya try we so ever since obaye no untimi enda ayibia from Asante Kotoko hono all the time na ko anya Freddy Kasara na Muhammad Kamara but this time around no benefit imagine so on try ablante and so je said the omo kan sa papa be kwa dia me hwe team sheet na me hwe na me hu se Kamara won na edikan ansa na ablante no but ye hwe se coach ni ne goalkeepers coach no hwe de and goalkeepers trainer no ye hwe de omo so edin beto post ni ene de ama Asante Kotoko omo tra sa young guy no hwe omo tra na hwe omo fa sa this game no en fa no try when you league game even though MTN FA Cup and so Kotoko he answer also ultimate League na so ultimate bon homo but yen try this guy because of say your pillars bi wa chire hono ma abrant bi say abro any Samba O'Neil this guy Lord Amu Justice Blame e wa chire hono mo ntene den shara nye big deals are yes but coming to be here I say try sa Ghana me dem was so team shalom peace papa